gorgeous new potatoes that are covered with Parmesan. You're gonna love these. They are cheesy and crispy and absolutely delicious. So let's get cooking. So here's my new potatoes. All I'm gonna do is just chop these in half, and I like to parboil mine. I've got them in the pan now, so we just need to let them come to the boil and then give them probably around 5 minutes. I've lined my air fryer basket just with some parchment paper because what I want to do is add some olive oil and then some Parmesan. So that's the olive oil spread out. Now we're ready to pop in the Parmesan. Just want to sprinkle this over like so. And then we can just spread this out. If it gets too much of big clumps, then we'll just spread it out like this, because then the potatoes are going to go face down into this. These have had 5 minutes now, so I'm going to drain those and get those ready to go in the air fryer. And if you look, when you place them down face first, they suck up the Parmesan and the olive oil. So I just need to lay them all in here. Last few to go in. Just make sure they're sucking that up, which they are. These are going to be absolutely beautiful. Let's give it a little bit of space for the last one in that little hole there. So they're nicely spaced out so we can get a good airflow around those. We can add a little bit more olive oil on top, but we're going to give them some salt afterwards, so don't need anything else on those. They just need to go in the air fryer. You could, of course, add a variation on this. You could pop some herbs in with these as well. That would be lovely. Or you could use some garlic oil. That would work as well to give some extra flavour. But I just fancied plain Parmesan potatoes with some salt. This is what they look like when they are finished cooking. They are sizzling away. Let's get them out. Look at these beauts. Oh my goodness. Can you see that Parmesan on there? That is so crispy on the bottom, but the potatoes are beautifully tender. You can add some sea salt. You've got to have salt on your potatoes. Wow, I can't wait to eat these. Oh my goodness. Look how crispy these are. Look, they're stuck together. All of those are stuck together. See if we can get one that's just on its own. Wow. Look at these potatoes, crispy. You've got that gorgeous Parmesan melted onto them. These are going to be so good.